Hey guys, how are you all doing? It's me Kanak once again back with all of you on my channel Kanak's Kitchen, and today I'll be showing you a very classic lip smacking Indian street food with lots of vegetables in it, that is veg chow mein or noodles. So without further ado, let's dive right into the recipe. First up, in a large pan or vessel, heat up enough water for boiling. Once it starts to boil, I am going to add in the noodle bar. You can also use the Maggi bar or any noodles you like. I'm using these thin noodles. They are very easily available in the market. And now I'm going to boil these just for about 3 minutes because my noodles are very thin and tiny. So I'm cooking them just for 3 minutes. You can cook the noodles as per the packet instruction, but make sure not to overboil them. After about 3 minutes, I'll show you. I'll just break one noodle and show you. You can see it slightly has some resistance. It's not breaking apart very easily. At this stage, I'm going to close the flame, strain the noodles to a colander, and then I'm going to pour some more cold water to stop the carryover cooking. Spread this and keep it aside, and in case you're planning to use this later, you can drizzle some oil also over it to avoid the stickiness. Next up, in a large pan or wok, I'm going to heat up 2 tablespoons of oil. Once heated, add in a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, a tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, some slit green chilies, and toss. Next, for that extra spicy kickness, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of Red Chili Flakes. Cook that as well just for about 10 seconds, not more than that. We don't want to burn these Red Chili Flakes. Then goes in some spring onion whites along with the regular onions. Toss them just for about 2 more minutes. I'm using both the onions because I like the crunchiness of both. In case you don't have the spring onions, you can use the regular onions only. The onions have become slightly tender. Next goes in some veggies. So here I'm adding some capsicums, some carrots, handful of cabbage, and mix. You can use any other veggies of your choice also, like some beans, mushrooms, or even chicken if you like. I'm adding some salt here. Mix. And then cook it on the highest flame just about for a minute so that they remain crunchy and get that smoky flavor from the high flame. Do not overcook these. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 2 teaspoons of chili sauce, a tablespoon of soya sauce, some vinegar for tanginess, and then I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of Schezwan Sauce. Yes guys, I'm adding this for that extra spicy flavor and taste. My mouth is watering already. So this is completely optional, but if you try with this, it comes out really amazing. Cook all these sauces with the base. You can see the sizzle, and in case they burn, you can sprinkle little water here. Mix. You can see this flavorful and colorful veggies and sauces base is ready. At this stage, do not waste any time. I'm going to add in the boiled noodles along with some spring onion greens, some black pepper powder, and toss for the last 1 minute. So keep tossing it until they are nicely coated with the flavorful base and they become saucy. Changes its color to nice golden red color. But do not overcook them, else they will break apart. So mix. And here you go guys, your homemade hot chili garlic veg chow mein is ready. You can call it noodles, you can call it chow mein, you can call it Schezwan chow mein, whatever you like. You can see how saucy they have turned out, just like the way you get in the streets of Mumbai. Serve it while they are still hot, and then you can garnish it with some more spring onion greens on top. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video today, and if yes, do give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye bye.